Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see admission notification. Here it is from IIT Gandhinagar. So before going to see this video, if you haven't subscribed to Revamp ED YouTube channel, then do subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel and click the bell icon. So coming to the present video, here the application is open for the international students. So those who want to study in India, they can apply this time for the Indian Institute of Technology Gandhinagar. So you can see that world-class faculty and then cutting-edge research park and incubation, so industry outreach also there. So the application is here invited for the PhD and MTech programs in biological engineering, chemical engineering, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, earth system science, material science and engineering, so mechanical engineering. These all are the courses with PhD in MTech, and you can see that PhD and MSc in physics, chemistry, mathematics and cognitive science. So here comes you are having a PhD in humanities and social sciences also there. And one more course is there, MA in society and culture. So if you are willing to apply to IIT Gandhinagar, then you have to apply before April 30th. So that is a deadline for the application. I hope you will all apply and get admission there in IIT Gandhinagar. Thank you.